Did you know that you could be a millionaire by 2030 just by owning 10 Tesla shares now? Although some may disagree with this, given the company's performance today, experts believe that Tesla will continue to thrive in the next years to come. Make sure to stay tuned and keep watching to find out how that is possible. People would prefer it if it were possible to retire at an early age with money continuously flowing every month. Some say that investing in Tesla stocks now can actually make this possible. Invest your hard-earned money today and reap the benefits in the next few years. In today's video, you will find out how much 10 Tesla shares will be worth in 2030. The electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla is one of the most famous companies in the world. Many Tesla analysts think it is a good time to buy its stock, with many believing the price can rise above $1,000. There is a wide disparity in expert opinions, however, and the average price prediction is around $800, thanks to a few determined outliers foreseeing a steep fallback to the $200 to $300 range. UBS's Patrick Hommel shared that the company raised its price target to $1,000 from $725 and that there are no rivals to get even close to Tesla in 2022. According to Kathy Wood, CEO and CIO of ARK Investment Management, said, "We're beginning to believe that not only will Tesla take the biggest share of the electric vehicle market, we believe that it could take 20 to 25% share of the total auto market in 5 years. The Tesla you'll likely see over the next 12 to 18 months would demonstrate the capabilities of the trillion-dollar Tesla, emphasizing step changes in manufacturing, cost reduction, expansion in capacity, model lineup, and services offerings," shared Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas. Several analysts foresee the stock climbing above $1,000, while others see weakness and a fall down below $800. The big question is whether Tesla can continue to justify its current valuation, which is significantly larger than all other automotive manufacturers. According to most Tesla stock price predictions for 2022 alone, Tesla stock could reach $1,200 this year if it grows by 35% over the year. That's the average growth estimate from a group of more than 30 analysts. One of the most bearish predictions comes from JP Morgan's team of analysts, who set their December 2022 target at $250. For 2023, Tesla's price prediction has the same 35% growth estimate, which would have Tesla at around $1,600 by 2023. Some forecasts are even more bullish, predicting annual growth of 70%, which would see the price at $2,600 by the end of 2023. Most longer-term Tesla stock forecasts have the stock priced at between $1,000 and $5,000. It should be noted, however, that predictions beyond the next couple of years are more speculative, but it is possible to estimate the size of the electric vehicle market and price Tesla accordingly. ARK Investment Management had a price target of $1,400 for 2024, which they have since suggested might be on the low side. Many predictions are based on the fact that Tesla expects to increase sales by 50% annually, which would help the company to keep increasing its share price up to the thousands of dollars. One price target for Tesla in 2025 is $3,000, based on their share of the EV market growing considerably over the next few years. ARK analysts estimated that the company could sell around 10 million cars by then, a 20 times increase in its 2020 performance. Perhaps the most optimistic prediction of all has the Tesla share price at around $45,000 by 2030, a 50-fold increase on the 2021 figure. The company would be worth $1.5 trillion by that reckoning. A $3,000 stock in 2030 means that the stock will return roughly 17% a year on average for the next 8 years, but over the last 8 years, Tesla stock has returned about 42% a year on average. Some analysts even say that Tesla's worth may exceed $4 trillion by 2030, and that it looks like there's no stopping it, as the company's market value exceeded $1 trillion in October 2021 before falling back to $900 million, shows that Tesla is one of the leading companies in electric vehicles. Would you be interested to invest in Tesla now if you haven't already? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Gary Black, an analyst from the Future Fund, says that the electric vehicle industry will reach a market penetration of 60% by 2030 and anticipated that Tesla will achieve 21% of the auto market share. Earlier this year, he tweeted, "When EV adoption hits 60%, Tesla with 20% EV share will be viewed as a haven like Apple." Black believes that Tesla will quadruple its current value to reach as high as $4 trillion by 2030. According to this estimate, with global light vehicle sales at 85 million units, Tesla would be delivering about 10 million vehicles a year by the end of the decade. He even predicts that Tesla's current fleet's existing sales will make the company $140 billion, increasing Tesla shares $100. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives noted Tesla's newly launched Gigafactory in Germany as an important milestone for the company that should lead to the production of another 500,000 vehicles per year. In a written note to clients, Ives shared, "We continue to believe that Tesla's stock has been way oversold over the past few months, along with the risk-off mentality among tech investors. However, the street over the past week has started to better appreciate what the seminal launch of Giga Berlin means for the Tesla supply story in 2022 and beyond. A lot of people believe that Tesla can significantly increase production for Europe, while lowering previous costs of importing vehicles from its Gigafactory in Shanghai, with the opening of the Gigafactory in Germany. Tesla stock will go from a market capitalization of a little over $1 trillion currently to $10 trillion by 2030, New Street research analyst Pierre Ferragu said in a tweet. The analyst said the Tesla growth story is slowly taking hold and the company is on track to see the unprecedented scale and capture 20% of the auto market. However, Ferragu cautioned that his estimate is neither a forecast nor an investment recommendation, leaving it open to investors to decide for themselves. The analyst's 2030 look-ahead assumes 20 million units of vehicle sales and an average selling price of $35,000, translating to vehicle sales of $700 billion. About $1.5 billion will likely come from insurance, $35 billion to $70 billion from full self-driving software, and $250 billion from energy, with real AI providing option value. The analyst estimates that a total 2030 revenue will likely come in at $1 trillion. Applying a multiple of 8 to 10 times on estimated sales, the company's valuation will gallop to about $10 trillion, he added. Tesla stock has surged in value over the last couple of years. Before the pandemic in early 2020, it was trading at $100. Within 2 years, each share was worth over $1,000, and the stock broke its all-time high twice in 2021. As mentioned, these are just predictions, and given the current economy, it is quite challenging to make a 100% accurate forecast. But what actually affects the price of Tesla? One is electric vehicle sales. Tesla's main business is selling new vehicles, and so demand for them is crucial. Things like climate awareness and the practicalities of owning an electric vehicle and charging it plays a role in that demand. Tesla needs to keep increasing its sales figures to meet investor expectations. The second is supply chains. There are a lot of moving parts, both literally and figuratively, that go into making a Tesla. Along with the raw materials, the supply chain includes things like lithium batteries and semiconductors, and any shortage of those can hold up supply and affect sales. Another factor is Elon Musk. Musk's personality and actions drive many of Tesla's price moves. He has crafted a cult of personality which has helped the company succeed, but it means that even his tweets, like creating a poll on whether he should sell stock in the company, can move the market. Bitcoin price also plays a role in the change in Tesla stock prices. Tesla bought a lot of Bitcoin in 2021, so the price of that cryptocurrency can help or hinder the balance sheet quite significantly. A major slump or spike in Bitcoin is likely to have at least some impact on Tesla's stock price. Evidently, competition greatly affects Tesla's stock price. There are more EV manufacturers than ever entering the market, and traditional motor companies like Ford and General Motors have started to invest heavily in electric vehicles as well. Tesla needs to maintain its competitive edge to keep growing its stock price. For more Tesla stock content, visit our channel and watch our other videos.